Hello, students. Today I am here with the first chapter of your book, Footprints Without Feet. And the name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. Surgery, you can say in common language, medical operation. Okay, and triumph means victory. So the meaning of the title is A Victory Over Surgery. ठीक है एंड जेम्स हैरियट इज़ द राइटर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर एंड नैरेटर एज वेल मीन्स उन्होंने ही अपने वर्ड्स में नैरेट किया है इस स्टोरी को एक्चुअली ही वॉज अ वेटरनरी सर्जन इज़ द पर्सन हु क्योर्स एनिमल्स ठीक है जो एनिमल्स का ट्रीटमेंट करता है तो एक्चुअली जेम्स हैरियट कंपोज्ड मैनी स्टोरीज ऑन द बेस्ड ऑफ हिज लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस ठीक है सो लेट्स सी व्हाट्स देयर इन द चैप्टर Tricky, a small dog, is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? So, this is a story and it is all about a small dog and his name was Tricky. And his mistress was Mrs. Pamphray. She was rich. That's why शी वॉज ओवर फीडिंग द डॉग मीन्स उसको ज़्यादा खिलाती रहती थी एंड सो वॉट हैपन ट्रिकी फेल सीरियसली इल बहुत इल हो गया वो देन हिज मिस्ट्रेस कंसल्ट्स टू अ वेटरनरी सर्जन so we will find out in the chapter that does the veterinary surgeon perform a surgery and does the dog recover after that. So let's see, we will find it in the chapter. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress and I was shocked at his appearance. He had become hugely fat, like a blotted sausage with a leg at each corner. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. So actually what happened, Mr. Harriet was going somewhere in his car. Okay, and he saw Tricky with his mistress. Who was his mistress? Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, so the surgeon saw them and he was shocked at the appearance of the dog. Because he was hugely fat, बहुत ज़्यादा फैट हो गया था and it was looking like a blotted sausage. Blotted sausage का मतलब होता है a swollen meat, मतलब जैसे एक मीट जो पफ हो जाता है, पफ्ड हो जाता है, फूल जाता है, उसकी तरह लग रहा था. And his eyes were red like blood and they were watery. Watery means the water was coming out. Okay, and he was staring straight ahead. He was staring in front of him only and his tongue was coming out from his jaws. Okay. Mrs. Pumphrey hastened to explain. He was so listless, Mr. Harriet. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition, so I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up. Some malt and cod liver oil and a bottle of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. So when Mr. Harriet was shocked at the appearance of the dog, Mrs. Pumphrey, she was very fast to explain that actually, doctor, what happened? He was looking very inactive and it seemed that it had no energy. That's why I was giving him extra meal. I thought that he was suffering from malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Malnutrition is a kind of disease, we can say it, when we have deficiency of nutrition in our body, that times, okay, it is called a malnutrition. So I thought that he is suffering from malnutrition, so I am giving him extra meal. Okay, like I am giving him some malt means a kind of grain, and cod liver oil and a ball of Horlicks at night also to make him sleep. Nothing much really, and bas itna hi aur kuch nahi zyada. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Now, Mr. Harriet asked, so did you cut down the sweet things like chocolates and all these things? I told you. Oh, I did for a bit. Actually, doctor, I tried, but he seemed to be so weak, I had to relent. But he was looking very weak. That's why I had to, I couldn't refuse him. इसलिए मुझसे मना नहीं हो पाई. He does love cream cakes and chocolates so she says that Tricky loves cream cakes and chocolates, so I can't bear to refuse him. That's why I can't refuse him. By this, we can say that she loves her dog. बहुत प्यार करती थी अपने डॉग से. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Chicky's only fault was greed. Means his only fault was that he was greedy. Okay. He had never been known to refuse food. Means he can never deny for food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. Any time. It is day or night. If any time we ask for the food to him, he would say yes. वो हमेशा yes बोलेगा. He can never deny. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey had not mentioned. But I was wondering that why Mrs. Pumphrey had not mentioned all the things. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? So now doctor asked that. आप उसको exercise करा रही है ना enough. Well, he has little walks with me, as you can see. So she says that as you can see that he has his little walks with me. But Hodgkin, the gardener, the gardener, his name was Hodgkin, has been down with lumbago. So what's the problem with him? Actually, he is ill and he's suffering from lumbago. Lumbago is kind of disease. We can say it pain in body. Okay. So there has been no ring throwing lately. So that's why no kind of exercise there. आगे देखते हैं. I tried to sound civil. Means I was trying to sound like it is not good. Now I really mean this. अब मतलब जो मैं कहने जा रहा हूँ I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he's going to be really ill. So what the doctor said, that if you don't cut his food, अगर आप उसके food को कम नहीं करोगी and give him more exercise, he's going to be really ill. And that if you don't cut his food and if you don't give him more exercise, so what will happen? He's going to be really ill. You must harden your heart. So means make your heart very strong and keep him on a very strict diet. It is necessary to keep him on a very strict diet. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. She twisted her hands. Okay. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. मैं करूँगी. Yes, I'm sure you are right. But it is so difficult. So very difficult. She set off, head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Now she was looking like that. She will follow the new regime. का मतलब होता है एक system. We can say the diet. ठीक है जो उसको mention की गई थी फॉलो करने के लिए. उसको देखकर ऐसा लग रहा था मिसेस पम्फ्री को देखकर दैट शी विल फॉलो न्यू डाइट इमीडिएटली. ओके. I watched their progress with growing concern. Means when I was looking at them when they were moving from there, I was concerned. मैं बहुत worried था. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. Tottering along means he was trembling while moving. ठीक है. And he was wearing a little tweed coat. Tweed coat means a woolen coat. And he had a whole wardrobe of these coats. Means he had many coats of this kind. For the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. Okay. He struggled on. Means he was struggling, drooping in his harness. Harness, we can say the leather strap, अराउंड द नेक्स ऑफ द डॉग्स जो उनकी नेक में रहता है लेदर का जो स्ट्रप रहता है. ठीक है. दैट्स कॉल्ड हार्नेस. सो ही वॉज स्ट्रगलिंग विद द हैंगिंग हार्नेस. मीन्स द हार्नेस वॉज हैंगिंग डाउन व्हेन ही वॉज मूविंग. Okay, I thought it would not be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. But I was thinking that this harness, would not be so long, but it was. Okay. The expected call came within a few days. So the call from Mrs. Pumphrey came after some days. Okay. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. She was tensed. Okay, she was very sad. Tricky would eat nothing. Tricky was not eating anything. Refused even his favorite dishes. And besides, he had bouts of vomiting. Means he was not even eating his favorite dishes and he was vomiting again and again. He spent all his time lying on a rug panting. So he was just lying on a rug and he was panting. Panting means he was breathing fast. Okay. Didn't want to go for a walks. Didn't want to do anything. And he was not willing to go for walks. He was not willing to go, to do anything. Right? I had made my plans in advance, but the doctor, the surgeon, Mr. Harriet, had made his plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. So the solution for this was he wanted to get Tricky out of the house for some time, for some days. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. So the doctor suggested that I will keep him hospitalized under my observation for fortnight. Fortnight का मतलब होता है 15 days, a period of 15 days. Okay, so the doctor said that I will keep him under observation for 15 days. The poor lady almost swooned. Means she was kind of unconscious. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. Means Mrs. Pamphray was sure that if my dog would not, see me every day, he would die. वो मर जाएगा. But I took a firm line. But the doctor was, firm determined about it. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's willing. So actually the doctor thought that it was the single way, it was the only way to cure the dog. That's why he moved from there without delay, right? And after him, Mrs. Pumphrey was crying. She was crying for the dog. I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. So the doctor was carrying the dog, wrapped in a blanket, and he came out to the car. The entire staff was roused, and maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys, and rubber rings, breakfast ball, lunch ball, supper ball. Means the entire staff was, they all were awake, and maids were coming out and in. They were bringing, belongings of the dog, like his day bed, his night bed, his relatable things. ठीक है, realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. Then Mr. Harriet thought that, अरे यार इतना सामान, my car, it would never hold all these stuff. That's why he started to drive. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, means she was crying, threw an armful of little cots through the window. So what she did, she threw some, little cots of the dog through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. So the writer saw that everyone was there in tears. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. So on the way, the surgeon looked at the pathetic little animal. Pathetic means disappointed. Okay. And gasping on the seat by my side. So he was gasping. Gasping का मतलब होता है बहुत तेज सांस लेना. I patted the head. मैंने उसको head पे ऐसे हाथ लगाया, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. And Tricky wagged his tail. उसने अपनी पूंछ हिलाई अपना कंसेंट देने के लिए. Poor old lad. उसको जो सर्जन है वो डॉग को बोलते हैं poor old lad. I said, you have not a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. I know that I can cure you very well. आगे देखते हैं. At the surgery, the household dogs surged around me. जब सर्जरी के लिए लेकर जाता है डॉक्टर उसको, सो जो हाउस होल्ड डॉग्स थे, they were all around me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. So Tricky looked at those dogs with dull eyes. His eyes were dull, and when the surgeon put him down, it laid motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing around him, they were sniffing. Sniffing का मतलब होता है जब dogs ऐसे अपनी nose से कुछ चीज़ें smell करते हैं. That's called sniffing. Okay, so the other dogs were sniffing around him for a few seconds, and they decided that he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. So they ignored him, that it is a kind of uninteresting thing. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. So where the other dogs were sleeping, the surgeon made a bed for Tricky also. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him. For 2 days, he was under observation, giving him no food but plenty of water. So the surgeon was not giving him any kind of food. He was giving him only the water. Plenty of water means bahut pani. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. So, second day, at the end of second day means 2 दिनों के बाद क्या हुआ, उसने अपना इंटरेस्ट शो किया इन हिज सराउंडिंग्स कि उसके आसपास क्या हो रहा है. एंड थर्ड डे, व्हेन द ओल्ड डॉग्स वर प्लेइंग इन द यार्ड, ही ट्राई टू विम्पर. विम्पर का मतलब होता है जब कोई डॉग सॉफ्टली क्राई करता है, सॉफ्टली चिल्लाता है, ठीक है, उसी को विम्पर बोलते हैं. सो ही बिगेन टू विम्पर. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. So the surgeon opened the door of that little home, of that small home, and Tricky came out running and was immediately engulfed by Joe. Engulfed का मतलब होता है surrounded. ठीक है, soon he was surrounded by Joe. Joe कौन था? The greyhound. Greyhound means we can say a big sized dog, and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the ground. So first, all the dogs, they inspected him, and then the dogs moved off down the garden. तब वो सब garden में चले जाते हैं. Tricky followed them. Tricky भी उनके पीछे, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Surplus fat का मतलब होता है extra fat. He was rolling slightly, बहुत धीरे धीरे चल रहा था with his extra fat. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. So the surgeon was there when all dogs were, they were taking their meal. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. Tristan was a person there who was serving foods to the dogs. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. So the surgeon, heard the sound that all the dogs were eating, very fast. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So all the dogs were thinking that ये Tricky अगर आ गया हमारे बीच में तो he will make a competition for the last part of his meal. जो उसने नहीं खाया है खाना उसके लिए ये competition लगा देगा हमारे साथ, वरना हमारा भी खा लेगा, क्योंकि जो टाइम इसने बिना खाए स्किप किया है ये उसका बदला लेगा हमसे और हमारा भी खाना खा जाएगा. So they were eating fast. आगे देखते हैं. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining balls. So जब सबने खा लिया, Tricky took a walk. He was moving around the shining balls, licking casually inside one or two of them. So he was licking also. Next day, an extra ball was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. ठीक है? So उसके लिए एक extra ball रखा जाता है. And the surgeon was pleased. He was happy to see him jostling, means pushing his way towards it. Okay. From then on, तब से his progress was rapid. Means he was like rapid in progress. उसकी जो progress थी वो बहुत fast हो रही थी. He had no medicinal treatment. उसको कोई भी medicinal treatment नहीं दिया जा रहा था. No any kind of medicines. ठीक है. But all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. ठीक है, वो सिर्फ क्या करता था? ओनली ही वॉज रनिंग विद द डॉग्स, जॉइनिंग इन देयर फ्रेंडली स्क्रिमेजेस. स्क्रिमेजेस का मतलब होता है जब कोई फ्रेंडली स्क्रिमेज का मतलब होता है फ्रेंडली फाइट. जब आपने देखा होगा डॉग्स फाइट विद ईच अदर, बट इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंडली. ठीक है. ही डिस्कवर्ड द जॉयज ऑफ बीइंग बॉल्ड ओवर, ट्रैम्प्ड ऑन एंड स्क्वैश्ड एवरी फ्यू मिनट्स. ठीक है. सो ही फाउंड द जॉय इन विच he found the joy of being bowled over. जब उसको बोल दी जाती थी तो उसको मतलब उसको हैप्पीनेस मिलती थी. ट्रैम्प्ड ऑन, जब उसको वॉक, ट्रैम्प का मतलब होता है वॉक विद हैवी स्टेप्स, वो हैवी स्टेप्स के साथ चलता था. एंड स्क्वेश्ड एवरी फ्यू मिनट्स, और फ्यू मिनट्स में वो स्क्वैश भी करता था. स्क्वैश का मतलब है उसको तेजी से दबाता था बॉल को. ही बिकेम एन एक्सेप्टेड मेंबर ऑफ द गैंग एंड unlikely silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for its share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. So now he was a member of the group, accepted member we can say. ठीक है. and he was looking like a silky little object among the shaggy crew. Means all the dogs were shaggy. Shaggy का मतलब होता है जिनके बहुत बड़े साइज के रहते हैं, उनके बहुत बड़े बड़े हेयर होते हैं स्किन पे, ठीक है. एंड द डॉग ट्रिकी वॉज सिल्की लिटिल ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है. तो वो ऐसा लगता था उनके बीच में कि शैगी क्रू के बीच में एक सिल्की ऑब्जेक्ट आ गया हो. फाइटिंग लाइक अ टाइगर फॉर हिज शेयर एट मील टाइम्स, एंड ही यूज टू फाइट लाइक अ टाइगर व्हेन देयर वाज मील टाइम फॉर हिज शेयर, दैट मुझे ज़्यादा चाहिए. एंड हंटिंग रैट्स इन द ओल्ड hen हाउस एट नाइट. एंड वॉट ही यूज टू डू एट नाइट्स, he would hunt the rats, okay. All the while, sorry, he had never had such a time in his life, and ऐसा time उसकी life में कभी भी नहीं आया था. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. अब उधर देखा जाए तो मिसेस पम्फ्रे वॉज वरीड अबाउट हर डॉग, दैट कैसे रह रहा होगा, कैसे खा रहा होगा. शी वॉज टेंस्ड, शी वॉज anxious, वो बहुत वरीड थी उसके बारे में, ठीक है. एंड रिंगिंग अ डजन टाइम्स अ डे फॉर द लेटेस्ट बुलेटिन. शी वॉज कमिंग देयर अ डजन टाइम्स, means almost 12 times she was coming there for the latest bulletins. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. The surgeon skipped her questions because every time she was asking about the cushions कि उनको change किया या नहीं किया, or his correct coat, that are you making him wear the correct coat according to the weather. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. So I told her that now the dog is out of danger and he is improving, rapidly. उसकी जो health है वो बहुत तेजी से improve हो रही है. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. Means इस word को सुनकर उनको बहुत कुछ हुआ. Means she was kind of happy. She started to bring around fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. So now after listening this thing, she started to bring fresh eggs for whom? For dog. Okay. 2 dozen at a time. Means एक time पे वो 2 dozen fresh eggs लेकर आती थी to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. Okay, and who was taking those eggs? They were not giving to the dog. They were not giving them to Tricky. Only they were eating themselves. खुद खा रहे थे for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, after that, she started to, bring bottles of wine. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद क्या होता है? The real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. Now the real situation was there after wine began to arrive. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. ठीक है, so she was sending wine to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. So the doctor, means the surgeon, and his partners were taking that wine during their lunch or before the lunch. Okay. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. So after that, Mrs. Pumphrey brought brandy also. For a few nights, it's a kind of alcohol, okay. For a few fine nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled and reverently drunk. तो क्या होता है, वो तो उसको दे ही नहीं रहे थे कुछ भी, ना तो उसको एग्स दे रहे थे, वाइन भी नहीं दे रहे थे, ब्रांडी भी नहीं दे रहे थे, ओके, ओनली दे वर कंज्यूमिंग देमसेल्व्स, खुद ही खा रहे थे. They were days of deep content. Means there was content, means they were satisfied. Starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine. ठीक है, breakfast में they were taking egg and midday they were taking wine and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. और रात को क्या करते थे, fire के चारों तरफ बैठते थे and they were taking brandy that time. So means those were the days of deep content. That's why the surgeon is saying that those were the days of deep content. Means they were satisfied in those days. In those days, it was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. So they were tempted. Tempted का मतलब होता है greedy. They wanted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest. कि भाई मजे आ रहे हैं, खाने को मिल रहा है अच्छा खासा. But I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight, felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. But there was a promise of fortnight or 15 days only. That's why the surgeon called to Mrs. Pumphrey that your dog is, quite better now, and you can receive her. You can collect the dog. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. So there was a, van, we can say, out of the hospital, out of the clinic, and the chauffeur means we can say the driver. The chauffeur opened the door, and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey almost lost in the interior. Okay, so there the surgeon saw Mrs. Pumphrey was there. Her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. She was holding her hands tightly, and her lips trembled while speaking. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? क्या वो सही है? Yes, he is fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and fetch him. That no need to get out of the car. I'll fetch him. I'll carry him. मैं लाता हूँ उसको. I walked through the house into the garden. A mess of dogs was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. So all the dogs were moving here and there in the lawn, and उनके बीच में there was Tricky. Okay. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. So in 2 weeks, after 2 weeks, he was, he had been transformed into a lithe means flexible, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack stretching out in great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. Okay, so now he was quite better. His health was good. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The surgeon brought him out of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. So when Tricky saw his mistress, he could not control himself, and he jumped out of the arms of the surgeon and went to Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled "oh" and then had to defend herself as I swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. So the dog was doing, he was, उसके ऊपर आ गया था, licking her face and barking. He was licking her face and he was barking also. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, cots and balls. वही सब चीज़ें Mrs. Pumphrey had given to me for using, none of which had been used, and I didn't use anything of them. Okay, as the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. So she came out of the window, tears shone in her eyes. There were tears in her eyes. Her lips trembled, and she tried to speak something. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? That I have no words to thank you. This is a triumph of surgery. And really, this is called a triumph of surgery. And this is a victory over surgery. Thank you so much." Okay, but in fact, now that there was no single sign of surgery. There was no surgery there. Okay, so I hope you understood the chapter.